Welcome to School of Law, MIT World Peace University, where legal professionals and the changemakers are shaped with excellence and values. MIT World Peace University School of Law established in the year 2018 with one program BBLLB Honors. Now we have BBLLB Honors, BLLB Honors, LLB, LLM and PhD program.
Interactive learning here has helped us to critically analyze the law and its real-world implication.
Arguing my case in the moot court has been an empowering experience, not only building my confidence but also my advocacy skills.
In a school of law, we have very dynamic environment where theoretical knowledge is combined with the practical experiences.
Being mentored in the legal research projects has enabled me to critically analyze the laws and also propose impactful solutions.
Observing the courtroom proceedings and interacting with the legal professionals has given me invaluable insights.
We also ensure that the students go through a series of legal immersion where they visit various high courts, Supreme Court, institutes of national importance like National Human Rights Commission, consumer forums. They can understand the working of the various legal professionals.
The career opportunities at MIT WPU School of Law have set me on a path of achieving my aspirations of being a corporate lawyer.
We focus on research and application of research so that our students are well ready for judicial policy making, students are ready for corporate law.
Hearing from Supreme Court judge inspired me to pursue a career in constitutional law and serve the nation.
Participating in legal aid camp made me realize the transformative power of the legal profession.
Here we believe in the experiential learning with the blend of theory and the practical. It includes court visits, commission visits, rural immersion program, national immersion program and international immersion program. The School of Law, MIT World Peace University is the perfect blend of the theory and the practical knowledge which gives experiential learning to the students. Come and experience transformative journey from classroom to courtroom at MIT WPU School of Law.